Good afternoon. It gives me pleasure to welcome the Honorable Deputy Chief Justice to the Judicial Service Commission. As a member of the Judicial Service Commission elected to represent the Supreme Court. Congratulations, the Deputy Chief Justice, for that election. I have all the confidence that you will discharge your duties as required and as you have stated. You understand very well the mandate and the responsibility of the Judicial Service Commission. And I'm sure the Honorable Commissioners here present join me in welcoming you to the Judicial Service Commission. And we trust that we are going to work together as a team to discharge our responsibility under the Constitution to the people of Kenya. So welcome, and feel welcome and at home with all of us. Let me also take this opportunity to state that the judiciary is carrying out its mandate as required. We have time and again stated that the judiciary is ready to hear all election-related cases and dispose of them as required by the Constitution. I'm sure the public is aware that we are hearing cases. The Political Parties Dispute Tribunal is hearing cases that have arisen from the party primaries that were conducted recently, and we are going on. For your information and the information of the public, up to yesterday we had a total of 250 cases filed before the Political Parties Dispute Tribunal. Quite a number of those have already been determined, and the remaining ones are being heard even as we speak now. Out of those, 32 have been filed, appeals have been filed in the High Court. Some have been disposed of, and some are going on. And we are doing all we can to make sure that we complete them in time so that we don't overshoot the timelines set by IEBC. We don't want to cause them problems, so we are sitting even, beyond working hours. I had to give authority to the Political Parties Dispute Tribunal and the High Court to sit even beyond working hours so that we dispose of those matters. The judiciary will continue to discharge its mandate, and as we have stated before, I want the public to understand that the judiciary is independent and will continue to be independent and discharge its duties as required by the Constitution. To this end, we would request that the politicians and other members of the public to let the judiciary do its work as it is required to do. And we don't want any statements that may suggest that we are being directed to do this or that. The judiciary is not going to decide any case on the basis of what anybody will say. The judiciary, the judges and the magistrates understand their role. They will decide cases on the facts and the law, on the basis of the facts presented before them and the law. And I also want to take this opportunity to state that as Chief Justice, I'm not going to respond every time to statements made by anybody in the public, especially as we go to the campaign period. I want the public to have confidence that whatever is said out there is not going to influence the decisions of the court. The judges know their duty. They will live by their oaths of office, and they are not going to be influenced in any manner whatsoever by any statements that will be made. Thank you very much.